it is unlikely that someone gets pleasure from ironing and folding clothes after a washing. But today these routine cases can be eliminated by entrusting the care of their own wardrobe by assistant robot. Developers' innovative device promise that the new home gadget will everything ironed and neatly stacked. Only all need will expanded in a cabinet on the shelves. Each faced a problem when need to wash clothes, dried, and it is necessary ironing and neatly folded. That's where the real routine, consuming a lot of time. But, it seems the problem was solved by developers of innovative device home called FoldyMate. This robotic assistant, a real expert in the field of tidy clothes. It can be no worse than the zealous mistress ironed and lay down pants, shirts, t-shirts. Industrial version appeared in 2014. In the past 2 years, the creators have tried to create a home version of their offspring, which will hit the market as early as next year. The developers recommend to place the gadget in the bathroom. Plenty of space it not takes up. The height of the device 82 centimeters, width -71 centimeters, it weighs only 30 kilograms. You can safely put on the washing machine or dryer, well, or fairly sturdy table. Future technology innovative device FoldyMate. FoldyMate works as follows: buy user enough to hang clothes on a special stand, and then will need to specify a type, trousers or shirts, and click start. The station itself will do the rest. Simultaneously, on the rack can be shipped 15-20 things. To smooth out the wrinkles in the clothes, the device should work 20-30 seconds and 10 seconds to fold clothes. Unfortunately, the novelty cannot cope with all the clothing items from your shopping cart. Things like underwear and socks still need to put in order the traditional method. Future technology innovative device FoldyMate.